Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the Committee for the Everytown Regional School District. My name is Kristen Kilcollins, and you have invited me here today to discuss a proposed BMI screening policy. I stand behind this policy as long as certain modifications occur that I will be addressing today. As we are aware, the Parent Association has approached the school district because of the current obesity epidemic. The concern is that obesity is associated with lifelong illnesses such as heart disease or diabetes, and the CDC has previously stated that 1 in 5 children is considered to be obese. In 2003-2004, Arkansas implemented a program as well as several other states to help combat the BMI issue by implementing screening. Over the past 10 to 15 years, they have not seen a huge decrease in their BMI policy. There are some issues that have come to light with the BMI screening. Some of these can be unintended consequences such as depression, anxiety, eating disorders, and even bullying. Some of the modifications that I propose are to help families to alleviate any financial burden. With this BMI screening comes a lot of out-of-pocket costs for activities and even for medical appointments. So working with these families, helping them find reduced or even free programs, or even incorporating grant funding or other types of funding into the school budget for the year would help these families out considerably. Working with family members so that they understand what a BMI is as well as how it's used will help to alleviate some of these other issues, such as caloric restriction that is against the American Pediatric Association's recommendations. Healthy eating can also be something that can be addressed in this education, whether it's with different food choices or even helping families make better decisions with what they're eating. A health portal can be implemented through the school that will be an extension of the current program for grades. With this, family members would be able to collaborate with school officials such as the nutritionist, the school nurses, as well as medical providers, which would help to alleviate a financial burden as well for the family. They'd also have access on this portal to nutritious recipes and meal plans that are culturally and linguistically appropriate for these family members. This policy would be a very useful tool for the school with the appropriate safeguards and resources. This program will hopefully be more successful than the implemented one by Arkansas. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen of the committee, for allowing me to speak today and give you some of these options that could enhance their program.